Hello and warming welcome to my video tutorial. In today, gonna show you how you can get free unlimited coins on Dramabox 2025 app without paying anything. Firstly, just come out to Safari on iOS or Google Chrome for Android, then type 77xcode.com.
Set my heart afire.
Secondly, all you need to do just following my video tutorial step by step.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still.
Very important steps. You need to unlock this step by clicking on Verify Now in order to get your free resources. If you have trouble, you can watch the final step video tutorial first, or you can ask the support chat AI assistant. After you completed this step, the resource will automatically added to your account. Congratulations! Now you get unlimited coins on your Dramabox 2025 account. But don't forget to watch and follow the final step video tutorial to unlock your resources. I hope you guys happy with this video tutorial. Have fun, guys! Good luck, and I see you in the next video. Bye!
Set my heart afire.